Hello students, let's move for the third sum in the exercise 7.3. So we have to read the sum now. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are okay. This is the area of a triangle we want to find out. Okay, and it's join the midpoints. These are the midpoints. BC midpoint is D and AC midpoint is E and AB midpoint is F. Okay, so whose vertices? Triangle vertices 0, -1, B 2, 1 and C 0, 3 has given. Find the ratio of, along with that, find the ratio of the area to the area of the given triangle. Okay, I mean we want to find the ratio of this area, I mean DEF, to the area of the given triangle, in the sense ABC. Triangle DEF on triangle ABC ratio also we want to find out. Okay, so let's find the midpoints first. Midpoint coordinates. Midpoint, in the sense I told you, so the equally it has distributed. So let us find out the coordinates of the midpoint D. So coordinates of the midpoint D. Coordinates of midpoint D. Okay, I told you already how to find out the midpoint. If it is exactly midpoint, we want to use this formula, that is x equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y equals y1 plus y2 divided by 2. I told you already right about this. Okay, exactly the midpoint. So let us take here x1 and x2 are 2 and 0. That means x equals 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0 divided by 2, and y equals y1 is 1 and here 3, 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so x equals 2 plus 0 is 2 divided by 2 and y equals 1 plus 3 e divided by 2, that nothing but x equals 1 and y equals 2. So the coordinates of D points are, we got coordinates of D equal to 1, 2. So let's write 1, 2 in the D coordinates. Okay, so these are the coordinates of D. So in the same way we have to find out the coordinates of E. So let us take coordinates of E. Coordinates of E. So like that we can take x is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So let us substitute for this. X1 in this AE x1 is 0 and x2 is 0, that nothing but 0 plus 0 divided by 2, and y1 is -1 and y2 is 3, right? y2 is 3 plus 3 divided by 2. So that nothing but 0 plus 0, nothing but 0 divided by 2, and plus 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 2. So we can cancel 2 ones are, and it itself it is 0 divided by 0 is 0 and 2 ones are 0, 1 are the coordinates of E, what I wrote here. Clear? Okay, next we have to find out the last coordinates of F, because that is also the exactly the midpoints. Let us find out the coordinates of F by using the same formula, that is x1 divided by plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So let us substitute F, in the sense it's in the it's in between the A and B. Okay, so let us take x1 as 0 and x2 as 2. 0 plus 2 divided by 2, comma y1 is -1 and y2 is plus 1 divided by 2. 0 plus 2 nothing but the 2 divided by 2, common, -1 plus 1 is 0, 0 divided by 2. So it's nothing but 2 1 side is 0 divided by 2 itself, it is 0 only, 1, 0. Okay, F point what I wrote already, 1, 0, and E is 0, 1 and D is 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so what we got already. So next we have to find out the area of triangle ABC and as well as area of triangle DEF. So DEF we required for this, and ABC it is easy. So first we have to find out the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, the formula is of into, I told you, write it twice, x y minus y, thrice not twice, x y minus y plus x y minus y, and put 1 2 3 and 1 after 2 3, 2 after 3 1, 3 after 1 2 it is. Okay, put a big bracket. So in this area of triangle ABC, let's write the given x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. For this we want to take a ABC coordinates. So let's take first A coordinate is 0 minus 1 and B coordinates are 2 1 2 1 and C coordinates are 0 0 3 0 comma 3. Okay, so let's substitute the value for this, that equal to the of into, so x1 is 0 into y2 is 1 minus y3 is 3 plus x2 is 2 and y3 is 3 minus y1 is minus of minus 1. Okay, plus x3 is 0 and y1 is minus 1 and y2 is minus 1. Plus 1 is there, minus is there no here, that's why it is minus 1. So let us take next of into 0 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 0 into minus 2 plus 2 into 3, minus into minus plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 0 minus 1 is minus 2, 0 into minus 2. So that of into 0 into minus 2 itself it is 0. I think you know about that, right? Okay, next 2 4s is 8 plus 0 into minus 2 itself it is 0 only. So 0 plus 8 we got to 8 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 square units is the triangle area of triangle ABC. Let's find out the area of triangle DEF. Same formula of into x, thrice you have to write x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. Okay, write 1 2 3 in x and y, 1 after 2 3, 2 after 3 1, 3 after 1 2. So take the DEF coordinates now, that is x1 y1, sorry, x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Okay, so DEF, D, first you have to take D coordinates. D coordinates what we find out, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1 and 2, and E coordinates are 0 1 0 1 and F coordinates are 1 0. Let us substitute the same value for this of x1 is 1, y2 is 1 minus y3 is 0, 1 minus 0 plus x2 is 0 and y3 is 0 minus y1 is 2 plus x3 is 1, y1 is 2 minus y2 is 1. Okay, so that of into 1 into 1 minus 0, nothing but 1 plus 0 into minus 0 minus 2 is minus 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, next is of into 1 ones are, you know that is a 1 only, plus 0 into 2 0 only, plus 1 ones are 1. So we got 1 plus 1 is 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. 2 ones are 1. 1 square units. It is the area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC we got 4 square units, and area of triangle DEF we got 1 square unit. So this ratio we want to find out, this area to the area of the given triangle. This area in the sense DEF. So therefore area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle, which one? ABC, given triangle. DEF is 1 divided by area of triangle ABC we got 4. So the ratio is 1:4. So the ratio of area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC is 1:4. 1 divided by 4 nothing but the 1:4. Hope you will understand this. Let's move for the fourth sum. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices is taken in order -4, -2. This is the area of quadrilateral. Actually it is a parallelogram whose vertices is taken in the order. In the sense A first, B, then C, then D. Like that only want to come. A is -4, -2. If you miss this, you will never get a correct answer. Keep in a write in a order only. A is first coordinate and B is the second coordinate -3, -5. C is the third coordinate 3, -2, and D is the fourth coordinate, that is 2, 3. Okay, so we want to find this area of the triangle. If we draw the area of the quadrilateral, so if we draw one diagonals like that, so we can get the two triangle. I think you know about that is area of triangle ADB and area of triangle DCB. So if we find out those two triangle area, that sum is equal to the this completely the area of this quadrilateral. Let's find out the area of triangle ADB first, then after area of triangle PDC. Okay, so area of triangle ABD. Okay, ABD. So that equal to formula is of into thrice you have to write x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. So 1, 2, 3 in the place of x, and 1 after 2, 3, 2 after 3, 1, 3 after 1, 2. So let us write the ABD in the sense A coordinate, then B coordinate, then D coordinate. Like that we want to take. So x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. Okay, so let's take the A coordinate first, that is the -4, -2, -4, -2, and B coordinate are -3, -5, and D coordinates are 2, 3. So let's substitute for this. Of into x1 is -4 and y2 is -5, y2 is -5, and y3 is -3, plus x2 is -3, y3 is 3, and y1 is -2, minus of -2. If minus is there, we want to write in a bracket -2, plus x3 is 2, and y1 is -2, minus y2 is -5. Minus already is there, that y2 value -5. So let us take off into -4 into -5 -3 is -8, plus into minus, it should be itself, it is a minus. Okay, minus 3 into 3, minus into minus is plus, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, plus 2 into -2, minus into minus plus 5, plus 5 minus 2 is plus 3, plus 5 minus 2 is plus 3. Be careful while solving this, otherwise you will get a confusion. Of into minus 4 minus 8 is 8 fours are minus 32. 8 fours are is 32. Minus into plus minus 3 5s are 15 plus 2 3s are 6. Okay, next is of into minus 32 minus 15 is minus 47 minus 47 and plus 6 I think. So it is minus 47 plus 6 is 41 I think so. Sorry, 8 4s are 32 plus 32 it is. Minus into minus plus 32. So 32 plus 6 is 38. 38 minus 15 is 8 minus 5 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 23. So it's become 23. So nothing but it is 23 divided by 2 square units. Okay, or if you add this 2 ones or we can write this as 2 ones 2 11s are 22, one remainder 2 5s are 11.5 square units. Yes, next we have to find out the one more triangle BDC. Area of triangle BDC, same formula of thrice x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 after 3 1 3 after 1 2. Let's write the coordinates of B, D and C. B, D and C. B, D and C. So write the given for this. x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So x1 y1 are the B coordinates, x2 y2 are the D coordinates and x3 y3 are the C coordinates. So the B coordinates are minus 3 minus 5 and D coordinates are 2 3 and C coordinates are 3 minus 2. So let us substitute for this. Of into x1 is minus 3 and y2 is 3 minus y3 minus of minus 3, y3 is 2, right? Minus of minus 2 plus x2 is 2, y3 is minus 2 minus y1 is minus of minus 5 plus x3 is 3 into y1 is minus 5 minus y2 is 3. Okay, so of minus 3 into this bracket nothing but into 3 minus into minus plus 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, plus again you have to write 2 into minus 2, minus into minus is plus 5 minus 2 is minus, plus 5 minus 2 is 3 again, plus 3 into minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. So next step is of minus 3 into 5, it is a minus 15 minus 15. Next 2 3s are 6 and 8 3s are plus into minus is minus, 8 3s are 24. Okay, next is of minus 24 minus 15 is we want to add the same. Minus 24 minus 15 is 2 plus 5, 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 1 3, 39. 39 minus 39 plus 6, I mean we want to do the subtraction. 9 minus 6 is 3, again 3, 33 minus 33 it is, minus 33. So that nothing but minus 33 divided by 2 square units or we can write as 2 ones are 2, again 1 13, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 5 are 16.5. So minus 16.5 square units. So if we add this both, we will get, so area of quadrilateral equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle, one more triangle is BDC. So area of triangle ABD we got 11.5 plus area of triangle BDC we got 16.5. So 11.5 plus 16.5 is 16.5 plus 11.5. 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7, plus 1 8, 1 plus 1 2, that is 28. 28.0, nothing but it is 28 square units. So hope you will understand this. Thank you all.